Hey guys, it's your girl again with another video. I am going to be showing you how you can layer viners, glitter, and a regular viner. So the regular viners, I'm going to be using black. I'm almost out of the black. And also I'm going to be using red, and I'm going to be using glitter. So the concept is glitter is going to be snowflakes. It's going to represent the snowflakes in this design. And this, I'm going to use it for the heart on the design, and this is going to be for the words. I already cut the design already. I bought the design from Etsy store, and the design has already been cut. I already read the design. I am trying not to keep you guys. I'm trying not to make my video long. That's the reason why I did everything off of camera. But if you guys want me to do like a step by step, or if you guys want me to do like a video from the start to the finish, let me know. I will definitely provide that. But I cut the glitter already. So for the glitter, the settings is gonna be everyday glitter. I think I'm gonna verify that right now. I'll put on the screen. And for the vinyl, you know, it's everyday iron on. So it is gonna be a candy cane cutie. It is a candy cane tutu that I have here. So it's gonna be candy cane design. Not sure if you guys can really see that tutu. And this is gonna be candy cane cutie. So I am gonna show you guys how you can layer this on your shirts, step by step on how you can layer it and all the settings. I'm gonna tell you the requirement for pressing all of this. So this is the shirt I'm gonna be using. It's a 40, and I'm gonna go ahead and take out the lanes from the shirt, and I'm gonna preheat this. Preheat this for 3 to 5 seconds. And the heating instruction for this is 305. And before we go further, I am gonna use my ruler. This is for toddlers, and this is my placement ruler. I like to use this because in the past I was using my hand. People say to use your hand. I was using my hand, and it was not good. Like, I felt like I was choking people because it was too close to the neckline. Because remember, everybody got different hand size, so they always say use your hand, but everybody got different hand size, so it's just best to get your neck ruler. So I'm gonna place this here. I'm just gonna get my needle and place this. So now I am just gonna see if I layered that right. So I am gonna go ahead and place this one just for the fun of it, just to make sure my placement is right with the glitter. Alright, and if it looks correct, I'm gonna take the rest off and go ahead and press the glitter first. So that looks correct. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Take this one off too.
Mommy?
Before pressing.
Mom, that's my shirt?
Yes, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead, and if you like, you can use this to get it to stay, but it's gonna stay anyways. So I'm gonna use this to get an even heat distribution, and I'm gonna press it for 15 seconds. When it's ready, you're gonna hear the beep 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 sound. That means it's ready. And I'm gonna go for the second one, which is going to be the black viner. So now it's ready, and I'm gonna take this. It is a hot peel, so I can take it off. You can see it came off like easily without no issues because it's a hot peel. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the black binder, and I'm making sure I place it where it needs to be, because remember I have a third layer coming, so I want to make sure it's placed correctly, otherwise I'm gonna have a problem with the third one that is coming. So this is my third one, and don't be scared about your first layer that you put, that it's gonna be too much heat. It's better too much heat than no heat, because the heat that helps it to stick to your fabric. So don't be scared about the heat. So I'm gonna let this stay for 15 seconds again, and this one is gonna be my last layer. So now this is ready, and boom, candy cane cutie. This is already cute, but because it's Christmas we gotta get the red. So if I had liked, I would have used the glitter, I would have used the gold, but because snowflakes is white, that's the reason why I use the glitter, silver glitter. So this did come off easily as well. They're all hot peel, and I'm gonna go ahead and place the candy cane itself. So I see the heart is slapping on the let me bring you guys close. When I place it, there we go. When I place it, this heart is lapping on the snowflake, so I have to take it off and make sure I place it correctly without it overlapping on nothing. Otherwise, all right, that looks better. So you can see, you just make sure when you're doing it, you are paying attention to every details, because you don't want to overlap them together. So let me move this candy cane a little bit down, because I know it's like in a kissing position with the candy. Let's see. So if I do it like that, is going to the heart is going to be affected. Okay, I don't want the heart to be on the snowflake. Okay, that looks way better. So you can see the design, it is coming together. And now I'm gonna go ahead and press everything, and we're gonna let this for 15 seconds again. And all of them are all hot peel, so it's medium pressure. So this is gonna be ready. It's ready now. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. So this really helps you for even heat distribution, so make sure you always use it. Ooh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the red. Oh, okay, the red is acting up now. That part is not coming off, and this is coming off. I don't know why the red is kind of acting up to come off. And that's the last one we just put. So there we go. So there we go. I am gonna give it a last press, and after that I should be done. So the more heat, the better for you. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give this the last press, and after that we will be done. I'm excited about it. And the vinyl that I'm using is Scissor Easy Weed Vinyl. So this is ready, and I'm gonna take it off, and voila, see how pretty this is. So pretty. So guys, you guys saw how I layered the 3 layers to get this design to come together. that is how easy it is to layer vinyl. It is so easy. You can change the settings if you need to change. If your vinyl that you're using has different settings, you can change it in the process um, of pressing it. So so if your settings is more than, like, it's higher than the rest of the vinyl that you're gonna place, I also go for the highest heat setting. You can use the highest heat setting for the three of them. It's not gonna hurt. But using a lower settings for the heat is it's not advisable. The more heat you have on it, the better it's gonna come out, the longer it's gonna last. So the heat is your best friend. So this is what this is a tutu that I am gonna be pairing up with this shirt. I'm gonna put it on and show you guys how it's gonna look like. So pretty already. So I made this tutu last night. This is a highly requested tutu, and this is the candy cane tutu set. And there we go. So this is how the shirts came out. You can see the layers, so beautiful. Like, I am so much in love with it. And of course, as a tutu there, the baby is gonna use for it. And there we go. This is really cute, as you can see. And I really love it. It's so pretty. And the fact that it has all the snowflakes, like, come on, it just seals this design and makes the design to come out really good with the snowflakes. So the snowflakes makes the design come out real good. Can you see that? There we go. So guys, let me know if you like this, if this came out really good. All I ask for is thumbs up so that I know this came out really good. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.